Imagine a world where skyscrapers and deserts generate their own power autonomously, resiliently, and sustainably. With SolarWind trademark, this vision becomes reality. Our patented hybrid system combines solar and wind energy to deliver 24/7 clean power. Traditional renewables struggle in dense cities and extreme climates, too space-consuming, too weather-dependent, too inflexible. Enter SolarWind trademark, continuous energy everywhere. Compact, climate-adaptive, perfect for urban heights and desert expanses. Here's why now is the time to invest. In Singapore, the Smart Nation Initiative and Green Plan 2030 are driving a massive demand for decentralized energy. In the UAE, visionary mega-projects and the Energy Strategy 2050 pave the way for a shift from fossil fuels to renewables. Together, these regions represent a USD 100 billion market by 2030. Our business model is robust. We operate our own plants, license the technology, and partner with both governments and private sectors. The impact? We're reducing CO2, creating local jobs, and building green infrastructure, aligning perfectly with Sustainable Development Goals 7, 9, 11 and 13. Financially, we're solid. An investment of €50 million by 2030 will see us break even the same year. And with projected returns of 12 to 15% annually from 2029, your opportunity is clear. Join us in revolutionizing energy. Be part of a patented, scalable CleanTech solution, ESG-aligned and profitable. Exit via dividends or share sale post-2030. Ready to invest? Contact Bernd Ferber at Tempulse.Global Consultancy. Message on LinkedIn with the keyword Golden Escape 2030. Let's build a greener future together.